Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. I hope you like it. I'm assuming this is from you, Shadow, for the Guardians of the Con, and I made the design to look more Time Lord seal-y, like an official seal or symbol, with the thick circle around the outside, and then a really emphasized word here with little concentric circles going around. Plus, this will look really nice inside that 2-inch challenge coin that you said, and I kept the lines relatively thick, all things considered, with no super tight details that would get lost in the engraving. I know that my machine could for sure engrave this, and that means that whoever you're sending this to get engraved on the back of that coin will likely have it as well. So let's go ahead and read it. So first things first, this is a start marker, and that lets you know where to start reading, which reading order is bottom counterclockwise, so we start at the bottom. And then our first word is the main word. This is the word guardians. Again, starting at the bottom, we have this deep divot shape, putting us in the top row, and on it there's one line, so that's a G. Then a U has the line going outwards. A is outside the word circle. This R has 3 dots, as well as this D has 3 dots. The difference being this is a deep divot, like a horseshoe, or this R is a shallow divot. Same thing for this S being a shallow divot, and same thing for this G being a deep divot. So R has 3 dots, D has 3 dots, the I has a line going inwards, A again outside the word circle, and then an N has 1 line on it, and then this S has 1, 2, 3 lines. So that would be guardians. And then again, starting at the bottom, we have our little O. And even though it looks like there's only 2 lines on this, because there's those 2 straight lines, this third line, this curvy one, does end on it, so it does count. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3 lines for the word of. Then a TH is a full circle on the line of the word circle, and then the E is another little vowel. Oh, vowels are smaller circles, like these guys down here and that one there. And they have different positions and are relatively tricky. If you want to see more, go see the full video on the general how the script works. And then our last word here is the word con, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 little dots, making it a C. The O is inside our word circle, and then this N has 1 line on it, just like that N. So that says Guardians of the Con, and I hope you like it, and I hope it makes something really cool for you. Bye!